What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and this being another episode in the Essential Camping Gear series, and we're going to take a look at a product from VSSL, and this is the Camp Supplies and Utility Light Kit. And as you can see here, this VSSL, it says SOS, product specs. The VSSL Camp Supplies is packed with practical and essential gear for outdoor adventure. So you get your standard flashlight is 200 lumens, impact resistant, H2O resistant, and 40 plus hours of battery life. This kit comes with a built-in LED light with SOS mode and an oil-filled compass. So let's look at the contents on the side here. So, marine grade rope, a can opener, water purifying tablets, signaling mirror, wire saw, waterproof matches, 1 pound water bag, 4-hour candle, mini first aid kit, razor blade, emergency whistle, gear ties, fishing gear, multi-purpose tape, bamboo cloth, tinder for quick starting fires, all in this little canister. How can it be? They pack a ton of stuff in their canister. Look at this, guys. Amazingly cool. Now, there are some batteries in here, so be sure when you unbox yours, don't throw away the batteries. Alright, here you go. Ladies? No, I'm just kidding. So, the VSSL Camping Gear Kit. As you can see here, you've got a flashlight on this end, SOS, so you long press on. Oh, don't have the batteries in it. Duh. So anyway, we'll put the batteries in and check that out. And then on this side, you have a compass. Let's just peel that off so you can see it a little bit better. This is an oil-filled compass. Go old school, guys. Right? So let's go ahead and start popping this stuff out. Little instruction manual. Look at all this stuff as it starts to come out. I'll tell you, all your goods are right in here. You throw this in your backpack. It's easy to carry, and a lot of essential supplies here. Okay, there we go. We've got everything out of the tube, empty. Got compass on top. Now, if you go through everything, it's labeled. This is your fishing tackle. And what happens is you just unscrew it, and there you go. You got your fishing tackle in here. You got some hooks, some lures, and some string. So you can utilize that. Got your wire saw. There it is. It's all folded up in there. And these are super lightweight. So again, you got a lot of supplies that you're carrying with you in this tube. Fire starting kit. There you go. Some tinder and some waterproof matches. First aid kit. Got some antiseptic towels, all sorts of little odds and ends in there. So again, just an amazing little kit that you can store. Here's your bamboo cloth, all folded up nice and tight. Here's your trail marking, repair, and first aid tape. Water purification kit. So these are some tablets. There you go. Throw this in some water and you're going to purify your water and be able to drink it. Just anything you need for survival, guys. This is perfect for a bug out bag. Here's a 4-hour beeswax candle. Okay. Rope and a razor blade. There you go. There's the rope. Razor blade's right under that. Just amazingly cool stuff. And then miscellaneous gear. It's like a whistle, just all sorts of stuff. Can opener, bottle opener. It's like the another kind of rope. Alright, so now let's put the batteries in this bad boy. So we've got our Got our little flashlight here on the one end, so let's pause this. We'll put the batteries in. Even VSSL labeled batteries. Wow. Alright, we'll pause, we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, guys. So, got the batteries installed. So we long press for 3 seconds. That's so it doesn't accidentally come on. And there we go. Short press again. We got a little dimmer. Got red. Got SOS. And off. So we've got everything stored back in here. Got our compass again, our oil-based compass. See if it turns right. And yep. That is exactly correct. Where my coordinates are at right now. And then again, you can just unscrew it and all your supplies are in here. Put it back just like they were. The VSSL camp supply kit and utility light and a compass. Could it get any better? Small, compact. Again, throw it in your bag. If you need this stuff, it'll come in very handy. It's a great survival gear. Essential. All the essentials that you're going to need, except for food. But this gets gear in here to help you get food. From a fishing kit to, anything else that you might be able to utilize. Can opener. Maybe you can find some cans. You have cans, whatever. Definitely water purification. You got heat. You got light. You got everything you're going to need, basically, to help you survive in a dire situation. And that's why the camp supplies and utility light from VSSL is on our essential camping gear lineup. Hope you enjoyed. Check the show notes for a link for the VSSL kit. They also have many other kits. Believe it or not, they got a coffee kit. Yes, they've got all sorts of kits. So check them out. This is just the camping gear one because this is a camping gear series. You get it? You got to keep with the theme. So check them out. They have a lot of other little kits just like this in tubes. Great. Just put them in if you got, molly or whatever that's going to hold these kind of tubes or some pouches or whatever. Throw them in. You won't be disappointed with what you're going to get from the compactness of these here. Great for bug out bags, great for camping, great for survivalists. Again, highly recommend. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always, thanks for watching and have a good one.